Please reset the calculator's memory before performing any calculations. Now let's get started. The first step, press mode twice. Then press 2 for regression. Second step, press 1 for linear regression. The third step, we're going to input our X data, press the comma button, followed by Y data, then press the M+ button. Let's use the data from Do-It-Yourself 1. Press 1, 7, M+, 2, 9, M+, 5, 13, M+. Repeat the same step for the rest of the data. The fourth step is to recall this type of value, summation and regression, by performing this key operation. To find the summation, press Shift button 1. To see more view on the screen, use the cursor. For example, press 2 for summation x, then press equals, and the value for summation x is 42. By using your calculator, let's answer the question for A. N equals to 7, summation x equals to 42, summation y equals to 95, summation of x squared equals to 324, summation y squared equals to 1409, and summation xy equals to 660. Now let's perform this key operation to find coefficients of R, B, and A. Question B. Find coefficient of quotient R correct to 4 decimal places. Press the Shift button, press 2. Press the cursor twice. To find R, press 3, then press equal. R equals to 0.9694, correct to 4 decimal places. Now let's do it yourself too. The first question, find coefficient of B. Repeat the same step like we find coefficient of correlation R, except we need to press 2 to find the value of B, then press equal, and the value of B is 1.25. The second question, find coefficient of A using the formula correct to 4 decimal places. We're going to use the round off value of B to substitute into the formula, and A is 6.0714, correct to 4 decimal places. Repeat the same step, but now we press 1, then we press equals, and the value of A is 6.0714 through the calculator. That's all. Thanks for watching.